Dates, the golden crop of the dessert. Who doesn't love eating delicious dates? But did you know that a single date palm, growing in the middle of a vast desert, can produce more than 200 pounds 90 kilograms of dates every year? Even more fascinating is the incredible journey these dates and juicy raisins take before reaching our dining tables. Today, we'll explore the amazing process behind these sweet fruits, from dessert farms to modern factories. The journey begins in the date orchard. To ensure maximum yield, farmers first trim away old and excess branches, keeping each tree clean and healthy. The next and most important step is pollination. Although pollination occurs naturally, commercial farms use artificial pollination to increase production. Pollen is collected from male date palms and carefully sprayed onto the flowers of female trees, either by hand or with specialized equipment. You might be surprised to learn that one male date palm can pollinate nearly 50 female trees. Once pollination is complete, clusters of dates begin to grow. As the dates become larger, each fruit cluster is covered with a special white protective bag. These bags shield the fruit from birds, insects, dust, and harsh weather while allowing fresh air to circulate freely. Seeing an entire orchard filled with white-covered fruit clusters is truly a unique sight. When the dates are fully ripe, harvesting begins. Using special lifting machines, teams of skilled workers carefully collect the fruit. By gently shaking each protected cluster, only the right dates fall into collection bags, ensuring the fruit remains clean and undamaged throughout the process. The harvested dates are then transported by truck to a processing plant. There, the first step is quality inspection. Each date is sorted according to its size, color, and ripeness. Next, rotating brush machines remove dust and dirt from the fruit. The dates then pass through vibrating stainless steel conveyors before entering a washing system, where they are sprayed several times with clean, chilled, sanitized water. Powerful fans quickly dry them afterward. The clean dates then travel along conveyor belts beneath advanced multi-angle laser cameras. These intelligent scanners capture thousands of images every second, inspecting each date for color, size, surface defects, insects, internal damage, or even tiny stones hidden inside the fruit. Any defective dates are automatically removed using precise edgets or robotic mechanisms. Thanks to this advanced technology, even the smallest imperfections that human eyes might miss are detected, ensuring only premium quality dates reach consumers. Finally, the dates are washed one last time, sorted into different grades and sizes, and packaged for sale. Some are packed as fresh dates, while others are processed into date paste, date rolls, energy snacks, and many other healthy food products. Now let's leave the dessert behind and head to lush vineyards to discover the story behind sweet raisins. Raisins are simply dried grapes. Grapes are harvested only after reaching their maximum natural sugar content because sweeter grapes produce sweeter raisins. In some vineyards, harvesting is fully automated, while in others, workers carefully pick the grapes by hand. After harvesting, the grapes are washed in a special food-grade solution that creates tiny cracks in the skin, allowing moisture to escape more quickly during drying. The grapes are then spread across enormous drying trays under the open sun. As sunlight gradually removes their moisture, the grapes naturally transform into sweet, chewy raisins. Once dried, the raisins are transported to a processing factory, where they undergo another series of quality checks. They are thoroughly washed before passing over vibrating tables that remove stems, dust, and other unwanted materials. Next, powerful laser scanners inspect every single raisin. Any raisin with defects, excessive dark spots, foreign materials, or stones is immediately rejected. Even after all the automated inspections, trained workers perform one final visual check alongside the conveyor belt to ensure that only the highest quality raisins are packaged. Finally, the raisins are weighed and packed according to different package sizes. Some raisins are sold directly as healthy snacks, while others are supplied to bakeries and food manufacturers to produce cereals, cakes, chocolates, cookies, and many other delicious products. From the outside, It's hard to imagine how much technology, precision, and human effort go into producing something as small as a detour raisin. The next time you enjoy these delicious fruits, remember they are more than just food. They are the result of remarkable farming, modern technology, and the dedication of countless hardworking people.